Energy. Mechanical and chemical energy. Potential energy is the stored energy of an object because of its position. Kinetic energy is the energy of an object because of its motion. Mechanical energy is a form of energy an object has due to its motion and position. It's the sum of potential energy from the position and of kinetic energy from the motion. Chemical energy is energy stored in all matter. It's released through a chemical reaction. Chemical energy is a type of potential energy because it's an energy that is stored. Light energy. Light is the form of energy that allows us to see things because it travels in waves, bounces off objects, and then enters your eyes. There are natural light sources and artificial light sources. Stars, candles, fire are natural light sources. They change chemical energy into light energy. Light bulbs, television, and torch are artificial light sources. They change electrical energy into light energy. Light energy. Opaque objects, light can't travel through them. Transparent objects, light can travel through them. Translucent objects, only some light can travel through them. Light travels through some objects. It depends on the material the object is made of. Light energy. Reflection. It is when light bounces off a surface. Refraction. It is when light travels at different speeds and changes directions. Dispersion. It is when white light travels through a prism and it separates into different colors. There are 3 ways in which light travels through objects. Sound energy. Sound can travel through solids. It can also travel through liquids and through gas. But sound can't travel through a completely empty space called vacuum. Sound is the form of energy that allows us to hear things because it travels in waves and makes the air vibrate. This vibration enters our ears. Noise pollution. Machines and transport can produce sound that are harmful to human and animal life. Sound has 3 properties. Pitch, it is how high or low the sound is. Intensity, the loudness is related to the intensity of the sound. Timbre, it is the tone or quality of the sound. Thermal and electrical energy. Thermal energy is the kinetic energy caused by the movement of particles in matter. When the particles move quickly, thermal energy is high. When the particles move slowly, thermal energy is low. Temperature is related to the movement of particles and measures the thermal energy of a substance. Changing the thermal energy of substances can make them change state. When the temperature increases in an object, its volume increases and it expands. This is called thermic expansion. Thermal and electrical energy. How is thermal energy transferred? Conduction. It is a direct transfer of thermal energy through contact. Convection. It is the transfer of thermal energy by the movement of fluids. Radiation. It is the transfer of thermal energy from sun through waves. Electrical energy happens when there is a flow or current of electrical charge. It's a form of energy which we use to power machines. One end of the battery has a positive charge and the other end has a negative charge. Electric charge flows when we put the battery into a machine. This energy makes the machine work. The electric current is conducted along a path used to do work in an electric circuit. Energy sources and saving energy. There are 2 types of energy sources: renewable energy sources, non-renewable energy sources. There are 2 types of energy sources. Renewable energy sources are responsible that are replaced naturally over time. Wind energy, bioenergy, solar energy, hydroelectric. There are 2 types of energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources are resources that are available in limited quantity. Nuclear, coal, natural gas, petroleum. Non-renewable resources cause pollution. We have to burn coal, gas, and petroleum to release energy. This process releases gases that are harmful to the environment and pollute the atmosphere. One of the biggest problems is the global warming. Our planet is getting warmer. This has very bad consequences for life on Earth. The melting of glaciers and the rise in sea levels. What can we do to save the planet? Walk or cycle. Insulate your home. Use solar panels. Drive a hybrid or electric car. Use public transport. Use energy efficient machines. Use a pellet stove. Use wind turbines to power your home.